How to refund on Temu without returning the item. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can refund on Temu without returning the actual item. So for that, all you have to do is just open the Temu application on your smartphone, and after that just click on the U icon at the bottom and go to your profile, and here just go to the support system right beside the settings icon. You can locate the return and refund from the help articles, and you can read the Temu's return and refund policy. And if you want to skip that, you can directly go to the contact us tab, and here just write can I get a refund. And now here you will see the pop-up where the Temu will ask you the product that you want the refund for. So all you have to do is just select the product you want to get the refund. In my case, I don't have any product in my purchase history because I haven't purchased anything on Temu as of now. After that, all you have to do is just go to the particular product that you want the refund for, and then you can talk to the support system, customer support of the Temu, that you want the refund for that particular product that you want to return. And the Temu support system will let you know that whether you can keep the product or not, while they will also initiate your refund for the particular product. So this is how you can avail refund on Temu without returning the product after contacting the customer support, if they will approve you to keep the product as well. So I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.